In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text next to an image in Dreamweaver. By the end, you'll have a clean layout where your text sits neatly beside an image and wraps naturally, just like in a magazine-style article. First, open the HTML file you want to edit in Dreamweaver. To make this process clear and predictable, switch to Split View or Code View. Split View is especially helpful because you can see both the code and the visual results side by side, which makes it easier to spot small mistakes as you go. Next, we'll add the image and the text inside the body of your page. Place an image tag that points to your file, give it a class name you can target with CSS, and include meaningful alternative text. Right after the image, add a paragraph with the text that should flow beside it. For example, add an image with a class called float left, and then a paragraph of content. The class is the key here. It tells the browser how to position the image, while the paragraph provides the content that will wrap around it. Make sure the image path is correct and that the alt text briefly describes the image for accessibility and SEO. Now let's make that class do the work. Add a CSS rule that floats the image to the left and add some breathing room so the text doesn't crash into it. You can place this rule in your page's head inside a style block or in your external style sheet, whichever your project uses. Target the class you assigned and set it to float left. Add a right margin and a small bottom margin so the text has space around the image. If your image is large, consider setting a reasonable width so the text has room to sit beside it. Keeping images responsive with height set to auto helps maintain proper proportions as layouts change. Once the rule is in place, your paragraph will automatically wrap to the right of the image and continue flowing underneath when it reaches the image's bottom edge. If you notice that content below this section is slipping up beside the image, add a clear property to the next block level element to push it below the floated image. This keeps your layout tidy and predictable. Save your changes and review the layout. Tweak the margins or image width until the balance between the image and the text feels just right. That's all you need to align text next to an image in Dreamweaver with clean, reusable code.